Hi, I'm Dr. Marianne Cintron, founder of Step by Step Dyslexia Solutions. We're a nonprofit 501c3 organization, and if what I share inspires you, please consider donating to the nonprofit at dyslexia-solutions.com. Donate. Thank you. So many dyslexic children are wondering, can a dyslexic person go to college? Well, first you need to know college isn't for everyone, but some careers require that college degree. So in our home, we have a doctor and a nurse and 2 engineers and a teacher. These are just some careers that we have in our family. Our son is a very successful crane operator, and that doesn't require a college degree, even though he went for several years. It just wasn't for him. So dyslexic or not, you have to decide if you really need college to follow your passion and your calling and fulfill your dreams. Okay, so maybe you don't know what you want to do with your life. Try community college. Your school, your high school will help you decide and take a survey what your personality and interests are and what kind of job and career you'd be more suited for. So look at your family members, some of your friends and their parents. Do they have a career path you'd like to pursue? So the next question I get a lot is, how do I get through the coursework of college if I'm dyslexic? Well, first get assessed. Students with dyslexia struggle with their education, but something is driving them from within to go to school. And it doesn't have to be debilitating. Many dyslexic students pretty much overcome their challenges before they get to college because they've had early intervention. However, some students haven't. So they've had a lot of tricks and strategies of how to be successful, and they're still learning how to be successful, and they want to bring those successes into college. College-bound students with dyslexia have to go through a tough process, and they need to receive accommodations on assignments. So go ahead and get assessed for dyslexia. It's a painless process, and you can bring your assessment to your college professor and they'll give you some accommodations. I recall when I taught human growth and development at Azusa Pacific University in California, I recognized a dyslexic student because he was a bright student, but he always managed to come in late and he was very anxious. We had a talk after school, after class one day, and he told me he just couldn't finish his assignments. He was really feeling overwhelmed. And he brought out his secret paper. He had an assessment for dyslexia, and he was dyslexic. And it also showed that he had received several months of intervention. And because he had that paperwork, I was able to give him some classroom accommodations, shortened assignments, a little bit more time. He was able to give oral exams, and he was able to achieve an A with some of his non-dyslexic peers. So the first step is get your student assessed for dyslexia and have that paper when he goes to colleges. And they will make those necessary accommodations. Next, you need to know how you're going to pay for college. Lack of finances and accumulating college debt can be a huge motivator not to go to college. But there are scholarships for dyslexic people. So I'm going to share some of those sites with you, but you have to go to my website and look at my blog, and it's there. They are there. So how can I afford to attend college? There is a way to achieve your dreams. Many adults with dyslexia are very successful in the career force. I want to show you with insight how to receive your college, your scholarships, and further your adventures in college. It's stressful enough just to take standardized test exams like the SAT, the ACT, and then you have to wait for the results, coming up with a way to pay the tuition. Each quarter of college in itself can be worrisome. So if you go to my dyslexia-solutions.com, go to my go-blogs and check out some of these scholarship opportunities for you. For all your high school, so parents, I talk to you. For all your high school juniors and seniors who are college bound, who have dyslexia, I want to encourage them to fulfill their dream. And I want to congratulate them for not letting a learning difference hold them back. God has a special call on everyone's life. We just need to listen and follow his voice. And you can be a world changer. So get the college students assessed for dyslexia, and then you're going to receive the accommodations needed. Reach out to me. I can assess your child with a 3-hour assessment, and I look forward to hearing from you. I'm Dr. Marianne Cintron, founder of Step by Step Dyslexia Solutions. Again, if what I have shared inspired you and you want to continue to hear podcasts from me, please consider making a donation on our website, dyslexia-solutions.com/donate. Thanks so much. Have a blessed day.